Ma yena otumfo nyankopon ase. Yeshase January and now me no ka say December 2025. Yede afini nyina no ebe wiye. Na in the course of the year no yesua de bebre. Nyoma yesua no na me pese yede emu adesua no the lessons of this ending year and the previous years, no, we should carry the lessons into the coming year. However, the mistakes are ye encounter mistakes are ye mistakes ne de any kwansi ye wura the coming year no. It's a quote I read. I was very touched with the quote. Na I'm say there be the way no me man nka me nko a metirim. I say me de ba na me be share ema obia enye bi because ade ba ko a mama ni eji video ye no ho say video no me ya me ba be hwe na nipa be 5,000 nipa be 10,000 e na ahwe video no na sa me video ba ko na nipa be 5,000 approximately 10,000 e hwe video na it tells me say assemble kuna make no it is getting to about nipa close to 5,000 to 10,000 assemble no ebana very important I should share it. That's the reason why it's 2025 no ebe we no I would want all of us to carry these lessons into the new year eba no new year na eba no hwe nsesan yo yeah new year na eba no a date na asesa say your friend 2026 na mom no ifre achina kono na obeti 2026 2026 bibia nsesan na yemfa lessons no enante yes ebebo apa na not in any orderly manner. However, these first two lessons no should be very important and until me the kind of the lesson number 1 for us yewura the new year no and it say yenje ahome, let's take good rest in everything that we are doing. Edwuma suku ye tukwan de oye bia no learn to take rest sa obra no waje wa home baby a wani abra wo ko gidigidi no una koduru a echire no bibia nim sa o. So in the process of getting there no you have to take your necessary rest. Obra no waje wa home, obra no waje wa home. Very important. That's the lesson number 1. One key thing I realized. Busi any abre ye adwuma 24th no. Adwuma no ye wia ye den. We wia what is at stake. So in the process learn to rest. When one go ye overtime, one go ye overwork at the end of the day not affect you. It is going to affect you. It is going to affect your health. It is going to affect your psychology. It is going to affect you emotionally. You are and yet so you need to take rest. So the mature. And the second one, lesson number 2, the away biano. Take time. It's good. Didi. Eat well. It's good. It's good. Edwuma na wo ya nya edwuma na wo ye no edwuma no nko when it is time to eat, take your time, eat your food and eat healthy. Don't go and eat any junky food. Junky make a junky slice na me slang but bruni beka say junk because bruni beka say junk me pese me boy aduane bi edin but junk foods no they are the fast food. It is not organic. So eat well, eat good. It will be good for your own self. I don't remember how I say nipa we are say I wo ya pomuden mu nsem no emu 90% no eye de udi ene de ohome ko mu So sa dia wo dia ko mu no, if it is not something good, if it is going to create problem for you, it is on you. And one thing I also realized that so say bibi nyama wa, step away from it. If there is a habit no way emwa onipadua na, stay away from it. So let me choro. If there is a food that would deny how aduane we would a mouth problem, stay away from it. It will be for your own good. That's lesson number 2. Now lesson number 3. 90% of the people you see online don't make the amount of money they claim they make online. 90% of the people you see online who claim to make certain amount of money they make, and you no crab could see in 90%. Into a more be about pressure. Especially say you social media, we are say social media world no. We say we be a try beto. Na no na me madam forbidden come and say hey. Obi twa photo fe na ode beto social media. Unim de anya fe a wan posti. Nti emma obi photo a watwa fe bi, obi dan bi, obi den ne car bi, emma ne ma pressure. Number 3 no. Emma ne ma pressure because 90% of them are not true. Number 4, anyone can do with or without you. Anyone can do with or without you. Take this very important message. Wow, hear me no. Si say no. Sa woni hobi ma abrabo beto aso. People can do without you. And as a wo no, and I you say, sa woni ho a people are going to live, people are going to enjoy their life, people are going to eat. Abrabo beto aso. Anyone can do without you. And who say wo no, your friend is saying irresistible. People can do without you. Same thing applies to the fact that you can also do without people. But you have to know, say, people can do without you more. And no, the percentage should go up. Okay, that's the 4th one. The 5th one, 95% of the people online are faking action. And yet they make people believe they are taking action. 95% of the people are faking action, but tend to make people believe that they are taking action. 95% of the people, they are faking action. So, number 6, 99% of your audience will forget what you post daily. They will only remember a dia or catch more. It hits them very deeply. Yes. Number 6. Number 7. No one thinks about you all the day except those who borrowed money from you. No one. Ubianwa or Jane who did be apart from Ubia. Wabobusia. It is on a lighter note, but that's a fact. Masa. Wabobusia tembia no mekao panze hey akwe misika no. Number 8. You can find love everywhere. You can find love everywhere. With me, I find it odo ewobebia. This is a serious lesson. Number 9. When you help people, money finds you. When you help more people, more money finds you. This is something I've learned. I wanted you to know. Sa obo nipa sika hwehwe. Sa obo nipa mo sika bebre hwehwe. Troto. Yes. Number 10. Adults forget themselves. So don't expect someone who forget themselves to remember you all the time. Number 10 no a very important lesson. And painful nipa ankasa. I refuse nipa so. Intisa obi wura fiwa emane nya onwa bebre why arefie o nipa so intisa wo hu ne se obi ewura fiwa aya na wo de ache no kakra ze no wiase ne de aye no nsem bebre nti hwe na wo to na onti obi nka emfa ne se nipa no wayiwa ma na se denden arefie ho wontene nka you can also check up, you can find out. Because nipa no kras awokai o na emum arefie na eden ewo. Number 11, no one has figured out life 100%. We are all approaching life from the specific realities. Abrabo life ubia no a wanya ne nyina 100% say this is life, but ubia no the realities are what go through no na or they define how abrabo no is it here, but no you can't figure it all out. So you live. As you live, you learn. This is a very important lesson. You get it? So number 12, no, so ASM. The easiest way on earth to lose your sanity is to make impression or to continue to impressing people with your job description. So if you say adeba akwa, Mr. Suyan Pan say one of the easiest way opesa would lose with integrity, with sanity. Say na no de nkofo na opesa wo impress yo mo opesa wo ya ade bi man nkofo hu se wo ho master sasa na oti a sisa emmoa okra afia ye wurem no okode sa woni mbegu ase kra hey, don't live to impress people. Don't live to impress people. Number 13, age isn't just a number. I'm for trackers age there, it is just a number. Age matters in so many things and in so many ways. And age there, it is just a number. It is just a number. Sa semono yaka achiano. Inti yenka ya say age, it is not just a number. Age is very important in so many yoma. Yeah, the bini say was the age there, it is just a number. Into walk of our crowd wedi 5 years abijina. Hey, age is very important. Number 14, discipline will win over motivation any day. Hey, I like this number 14. Discipline will win over motivation any day. Hey, go for so no mo TikTok, no muti motivational messages, no muti in some be show mo den ni nyina no. Enye ni tipen ne say wo ye discipline. Ukasa ade we meye na mo ye we are consistent. Discipline, let me attach it with consistency. So discipline and consistency will win over motivation any day. Number 15, a very important. Improvement is real. Perfection is illusion. Oye bibi na oko wanim kakra no eno na ye real. Oye bibi na de bia no o improve oko wanim kakra eno na ye real. Na oka se opese oye perfect there is no perfection. Perfection no ya can't to nipa tirim keke. The only one who is perfect is God, Almighty Allah. Nyankopon kwa na perfect. Inti wo ye nipa no, when one press obey perfect, o no press obeko wanim, ube progress. You understand? So improvement is real, perfection is illusion. This is number 16. Number 17. You don't need to be rich before you can be a good person. I say my last, me go be WhatsApp status no so. Man for say hey no crew e wi ase. Enya se wo be sikani ansa na wa ye ni papa o. Sa wo ni sika kra na obetima ye ni papa. Ye ka se ni papa enya obi a owiska nkwa na wo se utimi ya papa. When you scar, you realize that. Yes. Number 17 or number 18. Someone who doesn't agree with you isn't your enemy. Someone who doesn't agree with you isn't less intelligent. One say, if you are sincere, maybe ubia ne kwan of us who knew my torabia, adebu oha, uni obi nyadwen. The fact say uni obi nyadwen no, and chrese nipa no nim nyansan. O who knew ma on a different perspective. because of maybe the background, because of baby onyini here, because of a cool free mu, because of the structure. Inti sa obi no nya adwen a, if you are disagree with people, it doesn't mean they are less intelligent. Yemfa enante. Yes. Number 19. When your emotions rise, your intelligence drops. Same way, no correct. Sa emotions mean who the way I mean sing kind of trim. Sa wo ya de na wakoma ene wakoma nyina shima ema unyansa eba fom kakra. Wo de akoma no ye adwuma mo a ema unyansa eba fom kakra. Nti you should know how to control your emotions. Ade a emotional no we're dealing with an emotional basis, but sa wo no wanhwe na wo de ohun nyina wakoma nyina wurama afi adwen no nya adwuma bio because why emotional. Let me tell what I said. Now number 20 they say everyone should have at least one person they talk to when they are overwhelmed. At least also when you ba ku mienu bia sa nyoma biro so ma pa, you should talk to that person because we nipa also when you nipa ba ku bi wo wiase a sa nyoma mu ye den ma onye se wo yes, but nyoma bi kire wa adwen a you should have nipa bia also you have to talk to also when you bibisa simbi won tiasia say yo no adwen agenkire so very important. Number 21 or say it is only 1% that succeeds at anything. That is why the top is so scanty. So na we no HSM was it wait impempi no omo finally omo ye successful ni so anu ntina tambia na the top no bon say akoye kakra bi ene wo ho nti tambia no wamia wani no why part of the few top. So the mecho no number 22 or say new month and new year wishes doesn't change anything. They are just formalities and make us feel good. And happy new year, happy new month. And say to say in America no mere formalities. Now may feel good keke. Oh, happy new year. Near keka. But okay, happy new year now de eduma and so eduma denyashim. Now what's the sound dream? And just okay say happy new year na new year na bedani happy. Opezo happy new year na happy new year. Was odi eduma den money mo nyamsuru ene sa anwoma no eden iwrem na happy new year no aye happy new year. What I say? Number 23 was saying you would get something if you need it badly. Yes, if you end up not getting it, you will be close to getting it. This applies both to legal and illegal pursuit. So we hear the big gidi pa, we hear the big gidi pa na opea ubinya. So when you cry, obe ben ho kakra. And all your policy be we are since sadly in here na opa. If you push really hard for it, you are going to get it. Yes, this is number 23 no. Now number 24 no. A final message I made a no for the 24 lessons no. 2026 between 2016 to 2026 10 years. Once I say abantempa and we are near 2016 near Bo Eros say or 2026 or say 2026 no isn't your year na enyo dia. It is just a date on a calendar. 2026 na year no a date no na assessment. If you want to be in your year, then you have to pay the price to make it yours. So, person 2026 the be your year. Or say we are who adwumaden na wo own year no. What was 2026 na your media. Hey, and we better now, but born home more than at least you will be rewarded with a year. Remember, if you pray for the rain, so bompa say insuntwa, you have to deal with ateche. So baby a hoye mfutu na bompa say insuntwa, you have to deal with ateche. Sana you are saying it. Inti no bompa say no prepare. That's it. O bompa for we no prepare. And this o bompa for baby. Now no on prepare. Ebe na ai. So utumfo nyankopon enhyira obia na 2026 no onye obia koma so ade emaye nioma eye papa ewo obia koma so ade no meka se enye obia koma so ade a minimum obia koma so ade ebi wo ho a ade bi wo ho a enye ma nti ebia na Nyankopɔn asesa na ma nti de eye wo mu no titiri no Nyankopɔn enye ma obia ewo 2026